Hi guys, welcome as we do this problem. I read the question first. So for x, guys, we have a quadratic equation here which we need to solve. And as you can see, you have x squared minus, open the bracket 2 plus root 3, close the bracket x, plus, open the bracket 1 plus root 3, close the bracket is equals to 0. So guys, we are solving that problem. And so we can start off from this point. Guys, we look for two numbers. If you multiply, you get 1 plus root 3. And if you add, you get negative. Open the bracket 2 plus root 3. And those numbers are 1, -1, and -1 plus root 3. So, guys, if you multiply those two numbers, you get 1 plus root 3. If you add them, guys, you get -1 minus -1 gives us 2, now plus root 3. So those are the two numbers. So I modify this equation to be x squared minus 1x minus, open the bracket 1 plus root 3, x plus 1 plus root 3. This gives us 0. From there, guys, we now come and combine. That is, for this one problem, we divide it into two parts. So this comes to x squared minus 1x, put the bracket there, minus, put another bracket here, guys. This now comes to 1 plus root 3 x, and because of this negative, guys, we change this to be negative. Negative, open the bracket 1 plus root 3, and then we can put our bracket there. This is equals to 0. So we now come, guys, and factor out x. You can factor out x here, and so we are left with x minus 1. Now minus, we factor out 1 plus root 3. So here we have 1 plus root 3. And then here we are left with x minus 1. This is equals to 0. Therefore, guys, we have x minus 1, open the bracket 1 plus root 3. We have that factor, and we also have this factor x minus 1. This gives us 0. And therefore, guys, either we have x minus 1 plus root 3. This is equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, for this case, x minus 1 equals to 0, we shall have x is equals to 1. And for this other case, we shall have x is equals to 1 plus square root of 3. And so therefore, guys, these are our two solutions. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.